pussy age is a fuck that. What the bumbuckle you mean by? Age is just a fucking number. When me a look at you, me a tell you me a fuck be a big woman, me feel good. Cause I love give out money, and me like that. When you put on the yard for free, fuck you know, I want to give him money, we have the clocks a bit, we have bumbuckle, so I'm to that, we like it. You can't expect me now at 30 about to be. Me about to be 30, one of the expects say, me never did I go married to a woman who are 32. What the fuck me go talk about a woman who are 53 and married to for now? When me and I go watch me a bumbuckle profile and them thing there. Me don't want to watch profile. We don't have like a bumbuckle thing in common. You all, me young. You all, me young. You all, me young. Me never yet want to say nothing. Because to me, it does look fucking sickening. You see that the little bumbuckle pussy hole of a boy and it look like a wingworm. Me say me bumbuckle. Could you say look a boy? Look like a gun in the water. Me say when me see I can't serious behavior this. This I can't serious behavior. This is how you know. This is a little boy. He ma fuck down the whole of blood clot Jamaica. Discriminate you every day. Because I don't like saying I'm ever happy with blood clot you. Yo, I'm big old woman day. How the fuck DMG? You think me as a 20-year-old boy see myself with a fucking granny? You mean I forget born of a blood clot there and you have to accept it? Probably coming at the wrong fucking time.
Morning.
You probably coming at the wrong time too. You lose your daughter right now. But in the same sense, when your daughter in the hospital at the same liquor you they down there celebrate or you take now for a year.
You want to take a cocky for me?
No, to pussy claw. No, I can't with that. You see one time me a little boy, girl, ditch. Remember for that? Whatever you want to call me. I don't want to correct you about that.
I want to ask somebody at pretty dance for me morning.
One more cream. One goat, one cow, one dog. When I was a calf, then, since the one that we make you feel better. When I was a calf, I used to fuck a lot of blood clot big woman, mother cow.
Hello, morning. Pretty Dan, do it tell me say I want fuck you. I want all I make do it fuck you.
Not the boy never reach the pussy clot, the boy does what travel pump. Remember, England and America and Canada don't give out visa like that no more. Jamaica get a limited amount now, so everybody will look. As soon as them buck up, look a foreign girl, big woman, old woman, fat girl, Jamaica man, they don't care. You could have fat, you could have whole, you could have this, as long as it's an opportunity for the reach a foreign. Them have a marriage and give be a blood clot bun.
So, if you never want to say that, would you give me bun pretty Dan?
So you see, truth?
Pretty Dan, remember your woman and I want to do it fuck you.
You see yourself with what the fuck? You see yourself with as a big man.
Then I want me do.
You
yes.
see yourself with that little boy, man.
Then I want me do. Make a reason thought. Pretty Dan and tell Pretty Dan make them reason. Me not reason.
You can't expect there is no way nobody can go lodge you. Just see me and now Queenie, let me tell you how you look. You and that film relationship look like the little girl and the man in Florida, yeah. Him used to fuck for her mother and him used to be I did her godfather. And him a fucking now. Him a fuck the godchild now. They married. The godchild at 18 and him a 63.
Boarded.
You feel me? What kind of happiness you can see in that now, Queenie? Come on, for you. What kind of happiness you can... More is pedophilia.
I can't put it that. My important team, man.
What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to Reality TV Chats. So today, guys, we have there's some news going around saying that Queenie, LADI GANGSTA, her husband Dewey, has been cheating on her. You know that she just lost her daughter the other day, so I just want to say that this is a very hard time for her.
Oh, look, somebody tell Pretty Dan for come on the live. Me and her talk it out.
You know, him cheating on her and all of that, you know, that is a lot for her right now, and I hope that this is not true. But however, there's some stories about this, you know, and we also have a clip here of Pretty Done. Yes, she's talking about it, guys. But before we get into the video, I'm asking you please to, you know, leave a like, leave a little comment, and please click that subscribe button and share the video, guys. So, you know, let's get right into the video.
Age. A relationship and marriage. First off, condolence to you, Queenie.
Thank you, Pretty Done. Thank you, Pretty Done.
Yes, Queenie. You have a lot dealing with.
Somebody on the add Pretty Done, good morning. Tell Pretty Done that me and her want to talk it out. If you come tell me that to my face, come talk to me, Pretty Done.
And the people must say, in a one day, when your daughter was sick, and when did they hospital?
Yeah.
You did them on vacation. That's the same daughter where them say she's not with, you know, she's not with us anymore. Condolence again. You see me? They say you was on vacation celebrating 1 year worth of fuck. I comments them, you know. Then you know when me say that.
See, Terry.
They say, yo, when Queenie doctor in the hospital, Queenie doctor Jamaica, I celebrate 1 year worth of fuck and 6 months worth of marriage. Bad man. They comment, they want to kill me.
They want to kill me too.
Me have a top really comment, they want 1 point, and just I watch the thing. You see what I'm saying? When Queenie said, all these side chicks in my inbox talking about they're gonna get Dewey. Dewey, you can have Dewey, but I have to ring this, that.
Hey, man, greatest, you know.
Make I tell you something, Queen. And the first me attack for a year, like a fucking married where you want with. You see me? Me happy for everybody who want married, you know. Let me tell you something, Queenie. You see when me younger, I pee a big woman me also fuck me. You see me? Big woman like you. I mean, I tell you, so when me are 19, 20, and then me a fuck woman who are 45 and 50. You see what I say? When I fuck some big woman, you see me I say? Because no big woman, no one to take care of little boy.
Yes, Pretty Done. Sugar mama.
Make life a little bit brighter.
Not little bit, one bit brighter.
You see me I deal with? So, when the young boy them see Uno,
yeah.
I feel like say, we see Uno talk about married and settled down with blood clot. Uno, because Uno know Uno wine, bro. Nobody come with the fuckery.
Well, sugar daddy.
You know.
Sugar mommy.
I feel like say, that is what's gonna fucking happen. Because a sugar mama and a cougar is gonna be a cougar. You know how this is all the time, Queenie. Don't fuck around. Act like say you don't
you
know
tell me. Can look like how you put the cocky foot in me. I want to do it, put him cocky foot in your mouth. I get.
You fuck your grandson. This is
your
grandson, you know.
What?
Or your youngest son. This your boy just a blesser.
The Jew club.
Just come out by train. By next week, you see what fucking happen for him out. You understand what I deal with? This a look boy, you know. This a look pussy clap boy.
She feel like she hurt.
When they get trouble,
I'll put you down and do it too.
You is the waste. This a look blood clot, look a fenke boy. You look like you're no more than 11, 12, 13. You understand me?
13. Sure, my lucky number 3 piece 31.
This a boy opportunity to talk to you as a big woman, but I hear business that my father. You understand the way I deal with? You know. Expect in a year mind, say, show you the titty. And just still 50 and you're wall in a bad man. This a little boy you don't even, know when I want to see blood clot cells yet.
Morning.
If you can know, say, him not about shit.
Pretty Done. You want my husband cocky in your mouth. Remember your girl, you know, you don't know if you're a woman. I want to do it catch you and fuck you. Somebody do it cocky you want. Somebody jump me. What is for me? What are we should read out the whole of my rights? And I mean, my husband want Pretty Done is you. That's what I realized, darling. Come on, pretty Dan. Come give me an early morning devotion. Fuck a segment over here. Come tell me all I fuck you want tell me to my face. When I add pretty Dan, I wake up pretty Dan. Tell her come live with me, come sit down and chat. Don't sit down and chat for look views. Come talk to me and get views. You get more views because I'm hot, you know. Me I star me and my daughter, I'm all over the world. My hot. When I have to talk about me. Yes, my husband married to me because he want to come to England. So fucking what? What me not born with when I can't get free, my buy. Hen it though. Pretty Dan, come talk to me, my dopes. Come in. Come in, my capach. I look like I am a mate, you know. The last time I tell you, say I have some good words that I about her. That say girl power. I have to put that power beat and turn pussy power like I'm a semi pussy clean, semi pussy fat. But I hear saying that pretty Dan. How much views I get off of my thing, girl? I flirt with myself, I flirt with myself, I excited my own self, I crazy myself, I entertain myself, pretty Dan. Pretty Dan, me not chat, nobody forget money. You hear that? Me not discriminate nobody character and them husband. If my husband don't want me, it's not for you to tell me. It's for me to fucking find that out. So I said, me take one old man, he would give me a bun. I cocky him up and I pussy him ram it up in. I say, if I'm gonna fuck some pussy, it's still my husband, pretty that. More me you talk it up on the live. You want views? Come over here, so. Come over here, so girl. I'm waiting. I'm not too enough. I'm not people blood clot like phone no good. Me use my husband, call me wow, third wife, call me whole. So me use me sugar mommy money fit get wife. Him a fee my wife ship when want give me and she want come a foreign, he married to me. What's your problem, darling? Somebody have to use somebody. So what's your problem, pretty Dan? Come chat to me, make me say how pretty brave are you. No blood clot on the social media. Now have the blood clot got some have full of chat. I've been not take it back. Full of it. And you know some slack. Slack grey pussy queen and my pussy grey. But it clean and fat and the tighter. The all I'm get and the tighter my pussy is. You hear that? Says if your husband don't want me, he don't go married to me because he want to come in English. So then the aki, then the kaki foot going like aki. Do we have a kaki foot? Kaki foot is a hook. Kaki foot. Do we have a kaki foot? Yeah. Yes, so and the kaki reach a aki, pretty that. So you're the gardening teeth. Pretty Dan, come talk to me. Don't sit there, look entertaining, drag me. Drag my pussy tongue. You curl up my pussy tongue a while ago like cheese chicks. Pretty Dan, I want to do it, catch and fuck you. It's like a visa, I want to get America visa and fuck out your blood clot and you will know. The little maga stick where you just class, the powers. You that came the whole of the world. You see all of your blogger them where you sit down with pretty Dan when you get that cocky foot there. Every blood clot country in the world they go carry him. So when you come talk about him married to me, because that's good. People married free. People buy married. People do arrange married. I am married pretty Dan. I whole heap of fuck out me get girl. Me did one man for 22 years. Check the logic. And he's older than me. And I gave him 5 kids. And look where the fuck am I now? So if I want to take one rasclat, young June Plum, will spring the juice for me. So make me feel alive, pretty dad. What's your problem, my dear? What's your problem? Views, numbers, and your payment from Google, YouTube. Girl, my natural energy when I have anytime I'm a blood clot fuck with me girl. I tell you this. You see, God turn up in me and make me use the word for be to know. Where I say, pretty Dan, come chat to me. Pretty Dan. Come from my life, come tell me about my husband. Because you coming like tampon, each up in my pussy. So that's why you can't tell me where you know, because if the tampon in my blood clot pussy, my girl, You had the blood up tampon and pretty Dan, come. I feel nice this morning. I sit and I listen to you and I smile away. Smile away. Go ahead. If you not call my blood clot, you not get pussy clot numbers. Ha ha. Chat to me, pretty Dan. Me not use people weakness to build myself. I would never sleep at peace, pretty Dan. Look for me. Me not sell my blood clot soul. Hey man, are you come back again?
Hello.
Hmm? Put it on, check this out. I need this in the early morning. Yeah. Sexy. You know what all the man do? Sugar mommy. So what's your problem if you know sir that's my journey? If you know, hey man, leave me alone. What you saying, put it on? My God, Jamaica got take the fuck and my daughter in the hospital. Put it on. You should have cleaned up the extras with your mouth. You know when you fuck and the cocky juice smell think? Because any woman fuck and the cocky juice gonna it have an awful smell. You see the awful after smell? Come scoop it up with your mouth, pretty Dan. Come all of me and do it afters. When we go down go have the sex anniversary when my daughter did in the hospital, like how your friend them so hurt. You see the upstairs, the afters, come lava juice it, pretty Dan. Come summer sauce me and do it nasty smelling. Not even me not like the smell when my blood clot fuck girl. Come clean up my afters, pretty Dan. I'm waiting. Me I wait, can me have life. Yes, me take fuck, me run go take fucking. I'm a nice clean pussy where we shall come out of. Yes, by God almighty fucking faith when me have, and my daughter support. Run and me go take fuck, can release your brains, cause your pitness sick. Go fuck out your pussy, I fuck when me come and move your blood clot. You grudge me cause the little boy, you fuck me. And say, fuck me, I'm going in my pocket. And say, fuck me, going in my pocket. And some going in my pocket, bun on it, him cocky foot. Me I pay for it, pretty Dan. What's your problem? We have a beautiful wedding girl. And that will never come out on the image. History. You hear that, girl? So whatever ups and downs, you can't come on blood clot social media come tear down my wedding. Move your blood clot. And you want fuck the man. Go your grudge me prep. Pretty Dan. Your grudge me. Move your blood clot. Wake you, rise and shine in the morning. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The cocky foot what do we jump plum have? It a get heartache, headache. Ooh, it a get Instagram ache. Pretty Dan, come. Bad, move your blood clot. I couldn't get to a man from her to me free, so I buy one husband. Pretty Dan, what's your problem? Come talk to the queen. Crazy never leave me. Me married. May I tell you, my husband friend them when I like it say me and do it married and do it have him tattoo Queen Lady Gangster right on him right hand right beside him. When use him right hand for protect me. What's your problem, pretty Dan? Me love my husband and my husband love me. And if I buy you buy rascal, people pay you for you to sit and discriminate my character of my wedding, my husband, my relation. You can't start that, pretty Dan. You just are going to make me and do it get tighter. You see this? You just are going to make it get tighter. Cause love conquer it all. You hear that, girl? What you not born with, you fucking buy. You not born with food, pretty Dan, and you want food, pretty Dan, come talk to me. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Pretty Dan, look at me. Me's a deep woman and a great woman. Me not sit down and chat shit for entertainment. You're not born with food, but you have to buy it because food is the star for life. I'm a live in England, I'm a queen, and my hungry belly dry up crying husband, me love him, and whatever I'm have with him, I will share till the day I blood clot die. What's your problem? When I sit down and I preach, eat twice, people. So you tell me, say no, I'm for a class, my blood clot husband, and kill off my husband because you sit down and discriminate me. You want to disturb my life. You're a home wrecker. Pretty Dan, you're a life wrecker. You're an internet wrecker. You're a blogger wrecker. You can't chat to me, Pretty Dan. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Let me tell you what I use and kill no. Pure art, me, Queenie. Love me, use and kill no. Me now wish nobody. If you don't want to buy husband and if you want to buy wife, if you don't want to be single, low blood clots me. A ring me say. Ring. The boy broke and I have no blood clot money. I may have my 2 little 2 pounds. I'm scream out my visor. Yes. And see him like how him use him energy. So make my boom, 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 boom on the June plum. I share my own with. What's on the fucking problem? What on the problem? On a move on the blood clot, the queen reign. And I will forever reign. And you like shall ever use my name. If you don't use my name, I can't live. I can't sleep. I can't do no blogging. Because Queenie hot. The whole foot is hot, Pretty Dan. The way my blood clot at a 31-year-old man married to me when me 51 and you still can't understand. What is for you is for you. If you go to the shop and you buy a loaf of bread, it's your fucking bread. It no matter if I 10 bread in there, you're blood clot bread and you're going to eat it. You're a fool, girl. You can't discriminate the queen. A power, me say. Power to the blood clot queen. Power to the pussy. Pussy power. Me not discriminate pussy. And me not discriminate myself. You hear that, girl? What you mean by? My husband married to me. Yes, he want to come a friend. So fucking what? Jamaica hard and disgusting. He want to try something different. What wrong him do? If it's somebody were crazy. When say that woman here will give him a blood clot life. Yeah, all football are full of energy. You say all football have confidence. You hear that? We becomes magnet. So if I buy the magnet, it's my magnet, Pretty Dan. What is your reason, darling? Come chat to me. Come tell me now. When you want to buy one blood clot chicken, the chicken have life and them have to kill the chicken, girl. You buy the blood clot chicken at KFC when the KFC with and you're KFC. Low blood clot me with my money when I work hard for my buy fuck. If my blood clot run God Jamaica, me and a doctor. My pitney sick me in a blood clot sick. So institution of fuck my fuck fair. Pretty Dan, come talk to me, Pretty Dan. No bad like blood clot. Me come real. I mean I have no blood clot shame. Yes, my runner go fuck. Yes, my runner go fuck for the June plum 6th anniversary, Pretty Dan. What's your fucking problem? Then if me see my opinion hospital, can't fuck. And when she young and blood clot, did I go to gym with her nice, sexy, pretty self. She not have no money. I miss she itch up in her blood clot. Then if I wait for blood clot, can't go around and nyam up my pussy, you idiot. Me run go take the fuck where she can't fuck. And me tell her, Rachel, me I run the left you. Go, mama, and do it after the. What's your fucking problem? What you want me to do? My head busting too? You know when you chop coconut? Is a fucking coconut, you know, Pretty Dan. You come tell me RIP. You got push the RIP now, your big thinking magic pussy. I want to tell you, Pretty Dan. Now come make the blood clot. Think magic pussy. Your pussy think I smell like 10 days, 100 million idiot. Thinking pussy blood. Girl, make me care God. My son, I'm not going to get upset. I won't. Man, I got class your thinking pussy. Make me care go by a sexual health clinic. Where I go there and donkey put them foot in a blood clot you. Make me care go by the sexual health clinic. Make my husband fuck up my grandson, fuck out your blood clot. Can remember that pussy have you know. Period come out of that think like a female, think like a dead blood clot hag. When pussy think I think it's blood clotting, if you don't know for clean blood clot, that me clean your pussy for your girl, cause I miss a girl power. I miss a pussy power, big thinking. Junja, you know when the magic then they on the pork, and that in a year pussy, and me Queenie one care got the sexual health clinic. Cause whole man I go fuck you. Every blood clotting I go fuck you when me done with you. But me want to do it first fuck you. But me I carry you, go make. You get the checkup first. Before him push the cocky in a blood clot, all if him have on the condom and it slip off. All of the slime is sure. Move your blood clot, Pretty Dan. You don't know if you're a girl, you don't know if you're a whirl, you don't know if you're a merle. Move your blood clot. Confused double. Online.com. You can't chat to me. You're bad like me. None of blood clot on upon this can beat me. You know why? Me is not about for fuck around people, you know. So no, go win blood clot me, you know. If I'm a great blood clot pussy for send, no. I'm a head say for blood clot send me. Me send no. I'm in a care if you no want condemn. No, can't send no blood clot pussy. Some on a fucking video when I see video come out to no shame. Me send my raw blood clot pussy with my face in it. No blood clot shame to the game. My bad no blood clot. I want to pretty than you fool. You me I want deep blood clot woman pretty than. No, uno can't touch me. You can talk about me, but you can't touch blood clot me. Pretty than you thief my blood clot page. You're pretty fine, pretty than. If you thief my blood clot page, pretty than. Pretty Dan, you thief my blood clot. Where you come tell me about my husband married to me for money? So warm to that, so come my friend. Something wrong with that? Jamaica hard and disgusting and tough no blood clot. Your argument coming like Jamaica hard life. Your argument coming like Jamaica hard life. Cause a hard argument that you come on for me with. If my husband cheat for me, pretty Dan, and you out there in the world, pray for me for the blood clot, like you come and laugh about Queenie husband treat for her, and the husband and the daughter just dead. What you want me to watch a video and drop down and dead so now laugh after me? You're not supposed to laugh after blood clot me. You're not a fool. You're not say God make me turn up strong. For not to any blood clot thing for me, I can't take it. I will fuck on feel like. You don't think me want normal blood clot woman. Throw anything for me. Me pick the dead on the teeth, my page. How much more liquor I go give me? I'm still blood clot, stand up strong, pick it up. You tell me, the queen, daughter dead. I'm go fuck, cause fuck is a crime, you know. And the most discriminated blood clot thing, me know, fuck, no fucking jackass. You don't have meds blood clot like me. I want to put it on your friend them. I will pay you, man. I will pay you. You that blood clot, pretty dad. Pretty dad, me sit down and say, Shabba say my color crosses. Are you trouble me now? Me sit down and watch a woman and say, watch your cheek. You just have somebody that tear them down and feel good about themselves. And me know what buy what me want. You for tear me down. Pretty than you never buy my argument. You take it for free. For sit down, for laugh after me. Pretty than nobody can laugh after blood clot. Me can laugh after myself for you fucking clown. Are you the clown, yes sir? Remember before I'm married, me did tell you no, if I have a blood clot there, you can't take fuck for me. You can't take fuck for me. No, pretty than, you're your friend them. Can you take the fuck of me feel it? You don't make no blood clot sense. You just want an audience, pretty than. And Queen had the hottest blood clotting. All when me put the dead. If me put in a hospital. If me put in it. My heart. So you have to touch me. So now me I tell you, come talk to me, pretty than. You don't have them guts there. He's a laba blood clot jumbe. Go ahead. I want to pretty that. You think no can blood clot discriminate me upon this? I want to know. Remember, me send my raw pussy. Stand up right there, sir. And send me, and another first me send my blood clot pussy. Any blood clot time I can't manage it. Me send on the upper which part I come from. You don't get the message to it. Or you just think more and send my pussy, sir. Send you back where your blood clot come from. But you not fool on the discriminate. They are reporting comments, guys. What? You can talk the same wife, dick up her domestic when come to acting. Listen to me now, pretty Dan. I am not intrigued by what you done. And I try not to get upset. Have more morals and respect. Stop it. Be a little dirty, stinking, nasty, slime bag self, pretty Dan. How dare you? You see my daughter sick. And you're going to make mock about my husband a cheat. Make him cheat. Him still there comfort me. Yeah, your friend them whisper and talk it. Don't drag me in the blood clot mud to get clout. Be yourself. Stop it. It's not nice. You don't do that. He's an empress. He's a confused blood clot empress, pretty Dan. Send out to Queenie. When you want, must make my daughter rest in peace. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Rude. Don't do that, pretty Dan. That is no one. Nobody for take for blood clot revenge. And you sit down and you find it so nice and entertaining. Queen husband a cheat on her. You know this a time here when her daughter. Why you wanna put life into that, pretty Dan? Come on now. Every man blood clot cheat. If me coulda confused empress, she is a confused empress. If me coulda padlock my husband cocky, I would have. But I can't. Yeah, I cannot have it also the little piece of attention when I can get. Me know in my mind, sorry, him fuck something, but you hear me, him dead if him no low blood clot me, leave my man, make me buy what I want buy. Ask you again. When you want a plate of curry goat, you have to fucking bite. The rice, the seasoning, low blood clot me. My husband want to come to England and he married to me. That's beautiful. What the fuck is your problem? Someone will never get married. All when they have millions. All when they're young. So I am gratitude. Me not so long I wait for you come tell me, say, oh, Queenie, well done. I am proud of myself and I love my husband. And then no matter me not here do it, if I'm doing call me, I'm here do it vice. Every blood clotting clash. So if I buy me buy that, me feel good to take my money and buy it. Pretty than enough people in my mind. Look for me. How well people me send for come to England. Me, Queenie. Take my money, buy ticket, help them in however way. I mind my mind blood clot them. So when the cocky foot are going a bomber clot for me, aki girl, me supposed to take out my little lass. Done it and see if in blood clot word for go back go get more. What's your problem? Come reason with me. May grieve. And you find it so nice. So relaxing, sit down with your bleach out. You're crying like blood clot, do it. You ain't do it crying in a blood clot. And Tracy said do it bleach. Me no like blood clot, my husband bleaching. But I'm a husband. That's how crazy me is. Me no like bleaching, girl. You ain't do it. You come class, my husband. Confused blood clot, cocky foot, blood clot, cocky foot. You can't class my husband. You know, sister, you're confused, blood clot, cocky foot, acky foot. You don't know if he's a girl, a skull, or a whirl. Move your blood clot. And Tracy said, do a bleach out. I you seen bleaching cream soon launch, because you see the label. You want look like the boy bleaching cream. You want help come near me, look at blood clot money when I give my husband pretty Dan. You want a bleaching you want. You sit down there with your bleach out cranny. You're crying like blood clot, do you? You can't class blood clot, do you? And it's only in FM. Bleaching category. Come chat to me. None of blood clot here. Your friend them can't blood clot chat to me. Move your blood clot. Cocky foot, confused.com. Go ahead. You can't, you know much blood clot near me, girl. You come say, you should have known you trigger my man. And he married to you because him want come to England. I'm tired of Jamaica. I'm tired of blood clot Jamaica for him to some want him to come here. What's your fucking problem? When you want him to stay at Jamaica, for you go fuck off the boy bleach out with him cocky still black. Even doing bleach. Move your blood clot and the bleaching and the tattoo turn you and pretty Dan. But you can't show the world that. So you come on class, blood clot me. How you for work out if my husband love me or want me? How you take the fuck for me? Come talk to me, girl. When I can't call in a friend pretty Dan. Fucking pretty idiot. Chat to my blood clot ears. And she gone to Jamaica, gone fuck. Yes, pretty Dan saying that hear me tell blood clot when me hear so the pitney sick me run blood clot. I fuck me go take for relax my blood clot when you fucking idiot. If me never take the blood clot, fuck the June plan blood clot 1 year anniversary, me would have saw class blood clot, you know, come with a depression, scrippression, and lick passion. I want to you. Come talk to blood clot, me girl. I make me so blood clot brave you is. Full of chat, I'm not take it back. idiot blood clot mask. Mother spit in your face. You hear that? Mother spit in your blood clot face, pretty Dan. Don't ramp with blood clot, me no pretty Dan. You think some of the rest of them where you sit down and run joke with a girl? And she see me sitting and say, me just spit in your bumper wall face. And take my blood, my period and box in your blood clot face. Just push me hand in my blood and box in your blood clot face. And take my finger and make you eat my blood clot. Tie you with my pussy blood juice. Don't ramp with blood clot, me girl. Understand yourself, girl. That's my child. Now run a blood clot blagging. And run a blood clot joke on my pitney when I bury it. Stink. Girl. You know what we are ramp with? Internet make enough of we feel so we're bad. Me spiritually bad. Me physically bad. Me mentally bad. And there's enough more badness back of that. Don't ramp with me, pretty Dan. Don't play with me, I tell you already. Don't play with blood clot, me pretty Dan. Pretty Dan, you say anybody fuck with me, you know, understand, you know, behave yourself. I like you. Behave yourself, pretty Dan. You know how much time I want you, pretty Dan? Behave yourself. You're gone too blood clot far now. Yeah? Make me put me rest in peace. So you just sit on blood clot. Love me and my husband, a little girl, till death do us part. In sickness or in health, better or worse, good or bad. Leave me and my husband, pretty Dan. This is not the time. You ever say, do we run or left me when Rochelle did and me and mourn? What better does it make to you? Because you walk and tell everybody. You sit down and tell everybody, say, come look how quite a big disgrace from Queenie. You not make it no better, darling. Call me and say, Queenie, you fucking little shit pit. You come like this really ugly shit them up at Seafood Center, man, so they hug them used to shit down on my granny pig pen. Girl, I would discriminate your blood clot character. Don't try it, pretty Dan. I would pretty Dan, man, fuck you and throw mango juice pan blood clot you. After I'm done, fuck you and throw mango juice pan you. Don't blood clot try it, pretty Dan. You hear that? Understand yourself for the last time. You so much time I repeat myself, pretty Dan. Cause you see, the world leader them, they make the social media here for a lot of things. Cause me, take that dirty blood clot spit here and me make a X. Pretty Dan, anyhow you did there in England, me come take my phone and lick off your blood clot forehead. And you'd have to go beat blood clot me with your man blood clot clang. Lang self coming in know where you is. You see the next X, so I take the spitter mark or the licking of your blood clot face. Lick off your blood clot face. One lick. Me no know where I got after. Maybe you kill blood clot me after. Don't ramp with me. Skid on. Skid blood clot and don't play with blood clot me. Don't blood clot use my dead child. And look now, blood clot hyper for me. Don't do it. It's a very, very technical time. And that no guarantee for nobody. The whole away for the respect the dead. Respect the dead and get a hold of yourself, pretty Dan. It's the wrong time, darling. It's the wrong time. Yeah, say my God, Jamaica go take fuck. You know why I got take fuck when me pin in the hospital, me talk it proud and me no shame, I feel my blood clot pin it, me want run really far. Me run really far, blood clot, can me take care of for 33 blood clot years. She never called none of the blood clot name when she dead. She called Femi name. You know why God makes she call this a drunk name and tell her drunk that she's sorry? Cause God knows say, skirmish like a owner out there for beat me. So God makes sure the last word that came out her mouth is, I'm sorry, mom. So for the rest of that my life, that I got comfort me. Make me back to the fuck now. Pretty Dan. Me got take fuck out of my clean fat blood clot pussy at Jamaica because I'm afraid. I'm afraid that people like blood clot you. And the same husband was married to me because he want to come to England. Him alone could have comfort me. None of blood clot on can give me the comfort what Dewey give me. And that's What me run for? For stand up strong, yes, sir. Pretty done. Remember, today for me and tomorrow for you. It's a cycle. The last time you trouble me, when you take up Dexter Dax argument, and I sat there the Sunday night and I watched him just laugh. I didn't cuss you. I jail me here so you end up in all kind of blood clot disgrace. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Behave yourself, you not get do it cocky. Me have to carry, go test your pussy first. Oh fuck you want fuck me. Hey, enough girl turn on for June Plum, you know. Listen man. Me and June Plum, me I cuss June Plum and June Plum sit down and answer, you know. And once something June Plum say turn me and me stop cussing, you know. You hear that? 2 hours me I cuss her. So she feel like I'm intrigued like my husband, with my husband. A lot of girls are. And because them know some I'm married, my buy the married. Them know some tie up with the married. So them just beat me. With them mouth and them finger for type. But the reason is, the reality is, I grudge me for do it. Because do it sexy, I'm crying and sexy, I don't understand it. Because I'm crying in a blood clot with the bleaching. And I'm sexy with it. Wipe my forehead with a spit. I might spit and keep no matter. I'm crying and sexy, I don't know how to work it out. Because when I see him with them little mag about him, turn me on pretty than. Pretty than my husband turn you on. You sit there lusting up my husband. And then one class me. Yeah, you that? Yeah, you that girl? When me little bit of me used to take some man or some sugar mommy, you know why me take them car? Them can't take care of me. So what if me can't take care of go man, matey, move your blood clot. Queenie matey, move your cancer, your confused blood clot that come. So when you're a man, you take me, and when you're a woman, you take do it. Go! Hey, pretty Dan. You know say you're not normal. You want big idiot girl, you know. Big fool girl. Can you reason? Any of my sit down and reason them, I win you. Idiot girl. When you got blood clot KFC and I buy the chicken them fool, what you don't born with? Who born with one husband? Who born with one wife? So now buy your bite? You fucking biting whichever way. Move your blood. Me not no blood pressure now, do me not know. My better than idiot blood pressure. Whether me not go down to the hospital, I say fuck that, me not go down to no blood clot hospital, them stupid machine there. Them stupid machine that fret you out. When them tell her the reading. She's rude.